NordPass Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where I'll be reviewing the NordPass Affiliate Program. I'll be diving into my personal experience with this program, covering its features, benefits, and why it's a great for affiliates looking to promote a top-notch password manager. Don't forget to check the description below for useful links to get started. NordPass is a trusted password manager that offers secure storage for passwords, credit cards, and other sensitive information. It's built with high-grade security, offering end-to-end encryption and other privacy features. As an affiliate, this makes it easy to promote a product that users can genuinely trust to protect their online data. The NordPass Affiliate Program offers competitive commission rates, with affiliates earning up to 100% of the first payment from customers they refer. NordPass offers different subscription tiers, so there are multiple opportunities for earning commissions. The program also features recurring commissions, meaning you can earn revenue as long as your referred customers continue to renew their subscriptions. One of the best features of the NordPass Affiliate Program is its professional affiliate dashboard. Here, you'll find everything you need to monitor your performance, track your referrals, and access high-quality marketing materials such as banners, links, and creative content. This makes it simple to start promoting NordPass to your audience with ease. Plus, the affiliate dashboard provides real-time statistics, so you can track clicks, conversions, and commissions, making it easier to optimize your campaigns. NordPass is a product made for individuals, families, and businesses looking to enhance their online security and simplify password management. As digital security continues to be a growing concern, password managers are in high demand, which means you'll be promoting a product with significant potential for conversion. In conclusion, if you're looking to join an affiliate program for a reliable, secure password manager, the NordPass Affiliate Program is an excellent option. With high commissions, recurring payments, and an easy-to-use affiliate dashboard, it's a great choice for marketers in the security and privacy niche. Check out the links in the description below to sign up and start earning.